So bago po tayo magsimula ng aking special topic, ako po ay magpapakilala muna. So I'm Coach Rafi Rivas, turning 9 years young, so konting-konti na lang, magpo-40 na. Ako po ay taong gising sa gabi since ang work ko po ay isang virtual assistant for a US-based company. Dati pong overweight, madalas sumakit ang likod at mainitin ang ulo dahil sa kakulangan sa tulog at maling lifestyle. So nag-start kami gumamit ng Herbalife products mga 4 years ago. We simply replaced our breakfast with aloe tea and shake. And that decision completely transformed my life. Sobrang obvious naman sa transformation pictures. Since then, I've lost over 30 pounds. So dating size 34 ang bewang, ngayon size 29 na lang. Gain more energy and found myself enjoying sports and physical activity. At syempre, patuloy na sinishare ang power of nutrition. And maliban dun sa aloe tea and shake, favorite supplements ko po ang energy to sustain and maintain ang high energy and mental alertness. At ang bagong-bagong Immulif with multi-level immune defense support. So all glory to God for this wellness journey, and that's why I love Herbalife. All right. So for our special topic, pre-workout nutrition, what should you consume? So, simulan na po natin. Alright, so sabi dito, whatever we consume is creates a significant impact to the following. So unang-una is ang ating performance bago ang ating workout or sports activity. At syempre, reducing fatigue. So napaka-importante po ng pre-workout um, bago at pagkatapos ng ating sports activity. Alright, so it helps increase energy and endurance, supports blood flow and nutrient delivery, reduces early fatigue, sets the stage for better performance. All right. So ito naman yung general timing and general guidelines para sa ating pre-workout. So una sa lahat, we need to consume or intake 30 to 60 minutes before exercise. So up to 2 hours for bigger meals, yung mga solid meals. Choose easily digestible foods. Siyempre, kailangan balance yung carbohydrates and yung protein. At importante na limited lang yung fats and fiber. Alright, so ito naman yung key components to include para sa ating pre-workout. Una sa lahat ng carbohydrates. So, it primary fuel source. Next is ang ating protein. So, it helps reduce muscle breakdown. Ang caffeine to boost alertness and performance. At syempre, importante po ang hydration, electrolytes to prevent dehydration, yung mga muscle cramps, so it supports muscles. Okay, so una sa listahan natin dyan is yung nabanggit na caffeine kanina. So may help you stay awake and help you in the gym or during a game. So it is one of the most well-studied ergogenic aids. So ano ba yung ergogenic aids? Sabi dito, ito yung substances that help support athletic performance and physical activity, and may help athletes to enhance focus and boost energy. So typically, the effects will peak around 20 to 45 minutes after consumption. Pero magre-remain yan sa ating katawan for several hours. So kaya after natin uminom ng kape, minsan nahihirapan tayong magpahinga or matulog. So we need to try consuming caffeine 15 to 30 minutes before starting a workout. Alright, next naman ang ating nitric oxide. So it helps enhance blood flow. Wider blood vessels supports the delivery of nutrients and oxygen to working muscles during exercise, which then helps maintain your performance. So, going back dun sa nitric oxide, no? So, additional information lang. Again, nitric oxide, function niya ay vasodilation. So, pinapalaki niya ang blood vessels para mas dumaloy ang dugo. So, dahil dito, mas maraming oxygen at nutrients ang nakakarating sa muscles at organs. So, ano nga ba yung magandang role niya sa sports at exercise? So, una sa lahat, again, yung mas magandang blood flow, mas matagal bago mapagod ang muscles, better pump, yung pairamdam na mas puno ang muscle habang nagbubuhat, and improve endurance kasi mas efficient ang paggamit ng oxygen. Alright, so next naman is ang ating carbohydrates. This is the body's go-to fuel source for producing quick, easy energy. Metabolizing carbohydrates is an easier and more efficient way for the body to produce energy than using fats or proteins. So again, additional information then for carbohydrates, benefits niya for sports performance, mas mataas na endurance, pinapahaba ang oras bago mapagod, mas mabilis na energy, perfect para sa mga explosive movements like jumping, sprinting, or shooting, pinoprotektahan ng muscles. So kapag kulang ang carbohydrates sa katawan, well, pag kulang ang carbohydrates, yung katawan po natin ay gumagamit ng protein so bilang fuel. So nakakasira siya ng muscles or muscle recovery. Mas mabilis na recovery kapag kumain ng carbohydrates after the training, mabilis na pupuno ulit ang glycogen stores. All right. So yun, carbohydrates are stored, go back to carbohydrates are stored in the muscle as glycogen, yung nabanggit ko kanina, depleted glycogen hinders performance. Mapapansin po natin yan na kung kulang yung carbohydrates natin, mas mapapansin natin mabilis tayo manghina while we're doing the exercise. So carbohydrates before exercise can fill up your body's energy stores to help fuel your workout. So ito naman yung mga example ng mga pre-workout options na pwede natin i-intake. So, una sa lahat ang ating banana and Greek yogurt, oatmeal with banana plus protein, whole grain toast with nut butter. Meron din tayong mga tinatawag na pre-workout supplements na pwede natin intake 15 to 30 minutes before. So, mamaya, uh, bibigyan ko kayo ng tip about that pre-workout supplements na yan. And caffeine drink if tolerated. All right. So ito yung ating recommendations no and how Herbalife products can help. So una sa lahat ng ating Formula One meal replacement shakes. So again, it has a balanced protein, carbs, vitamins, easy, convenient, and nutrient balanced meal. Tapos nandyan din po ang ating Herbalife 24, yung ating Rebuild Strength, post-workout, and protein blend for recovery. Alright, so yun nga. Isa to sa mga go-to ko, no, kapag bago ako mag-exercise ang ating Formula One meal. Formula One shake mix. Of course, minsan nilalagyan ko ng additional protein yan by the source of soy protein or non-fat milk. Ang magkagandahan nga dito is madali natin yan ma-consume. You can take this 13 minutes before your exercise. So, napakaganda nito dahil it has a 9 grams of protein, napakababa na ng calories, kompleto pa yan ng vitamins and minerals. At syempre, ang ating rebuild strength, no? So, you can take this din naman before, after your exercise. So, para sa akin, mas effective to after my exercise kasi kadalasan after natin ma-engage sa isang sports activity, makakaramdam tayo ng mga muscle breakdown. So, mapapansin nyo, medyo nagkakaroon kayo ng mga muscle fatigue. So, si Rebuild Strength during your recovery, siya yung tumutulong para maliban sa tawag dito, maano nyo yung muscles ninyo, nakakatulong siya to relax your muscles and then you can do more exercise the next day. Alright, so meron din tayo dyan na herbal tea concentrate. So it supports enhanced metabolism and energy boost from natural caffeine. So take note, no, kanina sa pre-workout list natin, nandun yung caffeine. So mas maganda pa rin to intake a natural caffeine. So napaka-perfect po talaga ng ating herbal tea concentrate. So after mo siya i-intake, mararamdaman nyo na pagpapawisan kayo kaagad. And yung magkakaroon talaga kayo ng energy boost that will last for few minutes to an hour. And then after that, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung mental alertness ninyo. Alright, so syempre, usapan coffee pa rin. So tayo lang po ang may kape na mataas ang vitamins and minerals at high in protein. Sa atin lang po yan. At napakagandang enjoy niyan dahil 80 calories per serving lang siya. Tapos imagine niyo meron pang 15 grams of protein at zero sugar. So meron ka ng caffeine, meron ka pang whey protein concentrate. Alright? At ito yung nabanggit kanina, no, yung nitric oxide. So meron po tayo niyan. Madalas ko din po yan inahalos for my pre-workout intake. Again, Nightworks, Nutrition for a Healthy Heart. So meron yan lemon flavored. Mix helps no production at night when no levels are lowest. So again, dalawang function to para sa akin. Ginagamit ko sa pre-workout and also bago ako matulog, nag intake din po ako ng Nightworks. So supports energy, circulation, and vascular health. So it enhance healthy blood flow to the heart, brain, and other organs. Alright, syempre, no, for hydration, nabanggit din yan kanina sa dagdag water intake po natin. Napakasarap po ihalo niyan ang ating herbal aloe concentrate. So, hindi lang sa healthy breakfast, so you can use this as an alternative, lalo na sa mga mahihilig sa mga dikulay na inumin. So, kami sa pamilya namin, lagi po namin baon to kahit saan kami pumunta. So, instead of buying sugary drinks, ito po yung aming ginagamit. So, nai-enjoy po namin lahat, lalo ng mga bata kasi it has a mango, mandarin, and the regional flavor. So, it supports optimum nutrient absorption, no? So, sobrang, sabi nga nung isa kong kakilala, nung pinatiking ko sa kanya to, no? Pagkainom niya, ang sabi niya sa akin ng comment niya, ano ba tong nainom ko? Nakaka-healthy naman. So, doon dumatak sa akin na totoo po talaga. When you try and drink this, mararamdaman nyo kaagad na healthy drink yung iniinom nyo po. Or healthy I mean healthy, yeah, healthy drink. Yeah. Right, so additional reminders po, no? So ito yung mga dapat nating gawin bago tayo magsimula ng ating exercise, ang ating pre-workout. So una, start simple. Use familiar foods. So saan ba yan? Dito lang sa atin yan, sa Herbalife, no? Napakasimple lang po ng ating healthy breakfast at familiar na familiar po tayo sa mga benefits nun. Vitamins and minerals, kompleto na po. At nang iiwasan po natin ang kumain ng marami or rich meals right before our exercise. Iwasan din po natin mag-consume ng too much fiber or fat kasi nakakapekto po yan during your exercise for your gut health. So kapag maraming fiber and fats habang nag-exercise po tayo, so pwede po tayong dumalaw sa timang sa CR. So kaya iniiwasan po natin mag-consume ng maraming fiber at fat. So, monitor how your body reacts. Napaka-importante po niyan. So, lagi niyo pong tatandaan, know your body. Lagi po natin siyang painggan, listen to it. Alright, so why pre-workout nutrition works? So, again, carbohydrates maintain blood glucose. Caffeine stimulates CNS, reduces perceived effort. Yung nitric oxide, napaka-importante, precursor yan. So, better blood flow. And light protein, less muscle breakdown. And ito po ang aking conclusion and key takeaways. So, pre-workout nutrition is equal to fuel, focus, and performance. Simple, balanced meals plus hydration are best. Test and refine what works for you. And ang ating pong references and credits to our Herbalife pre-workout nutrition article. Just go to the website of Fuel Your Fitness. At syempre, pwede rin yung pong panoorin sa YouTube. Just type the breakdown, Dr. Gratton and Dr. Heiss. At syempre, saan lang ba yan? So dito lang dahil we are number one in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, weight management and well-being and active and lifestyle nutrition. Alright, and syempre sabay-sabay po tayo mag-say yes to good nutrition. So usapang quality. So saan ba yan? Dito lang yan dahil ang Herbalife has been recognized as a super brand in the Philippines. So sino ba naman ang hindi natin pagkakatiwalaan, no? Dahil tayo po yung number one. And I'm so proud to say that we have the seal of product quality. All right, so naway meron po kayo natutunan this perfect Saturday morning. And maraming maraming salamat po and back to you to my beautiful wife, Laurie Rivas.